welcome back to another session of Let's Talk World Conference. Today we have Ms. Sujata Singhal joining us from Case Talker. Hello, ma'am. A
Hi,
warm welcome to you.
thank you.
Thank you for joining us at the conference.
Thank you.
To start with, ma'am, if you could help me, let me know, or let the audience know about yourself, about your journey, Case Talker's journey. If you could brief us on that, please.
Sure. So, hi, I have been having a long journey, about 25 years now. So, I'm basically an engineer by education, but been into this law industry for almost 15 plus years now. So, I've been with the Coinjet Technologies for almost 10 years now. So, Coinjet is basically a IT-enabled services company.
Okay.
And we have a product called as Case Talker, which is into the legal domain. So I'm the CEO for the company. So I've been into this legal domain. I just love interacting with the legal fraternity.
That's wonderful, ma'am. 15 years, long experience. We did get to talk to a few of Case Talkers, current customers who have been with you for quite such a time, and they're very happy with your product. If you could let us and the audience know the magic behind it.
Sure. So basically, Case Talker, the kind of functions and features that we have in Case Talker, those are really wonderful. And they are very easy for them to work on. Especially the GUI that we have in Case Talker, it is so easy that people are able to adapt to it and learn it very fast. And the best part is onboarding services, wherein we actually tell people everything about Case Talker, make them comfortable about it, and let them know what exactly how it functions. So it doesn't become a burden when they actually take up Case Talker.
Okay.
So it's like while they're using it, they're finding it very user friendly. That's the best part, and that is the magic that they're liking about it.
Probably I can agree with you on that. I guess that could be the reason why they are also happy that whenever they call in or whenever they need any kind of support, your team is always there. I mean, how do you make that possible? That is not the case generally, which I have seen with software companies, but they're not always available readily. But what makes you so different?
So basically, we are a customer-centric company, and the most important part is that while we onboard anybody, we make sure that we have a SPOC associated with that particular customer. So when a SPOC is in place, so if there is any query or any issue, so they just come up to the SPOC. Plus, we have the support team just to resolve the queries. For a customer, very important thing is they should know about the product. If they have an issue, there should be someone who's actually able to resolve it on time.
So, are you telling me that for every individual institution, customer, you have a person who is taking care of them?
Yes.
Wow. Generally, we don't see that in today's scenario, but that's lovely. Is this the only thing which sets you apart from your competition, or can there be more?
So there are a lot of other things which sets it apart. The most important part, of course, is our functions and features. We have different modules. So we have module for case management, for contract management, for notice management and compliance management. And the beauty is all these modules, they are integrated. So that is one thing which is not available in most of the players in the market. So they may have just case management, they may just have contract management, but not all 4-5 of them together.
A complete bouquet of products.
It's a complete bouquet. You're talking about case management, so you have finance management along with it. You're talking about contract management, then you have e-signing, e-stamping along with it. You have notice management, and then you have compliance management. And all these are also integrated within the module.
Wow, that's wonderful. Now, you were here yesterday as well. Anything specific that you want to talk about this conference? Anything that you might have missed, which you feel that this is missing, this should have been here, or any kind of feedback for us
So,
that you want us to work upon?
I was here yesterday also and today also, and trust me, I just love the vibe. One, the kind of people who are there around. It's so lovely to interact with them. Yes, and it's a mix of all GCs and the law firms, of course, who are basically something we would love to talk to them. So we are just loving it.
Wonderful, ma'am.
Would just like to also add up that Case Talker, it's not just a India-based platform. I mean, it does not just let Indian customers work on it. We are also working globally.
Okay.
So this is
That's
an
wonderful.
international and a global platform. So it has all the functions and features that enables even the global customers to work.
Okay. That's a very good to know information, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you for letting us know, and thank you for the audience to know about it.
Yes.
Thank you for joining us, ma'am.
Thank you so
Thanks a lot.
much. Thank you.